Take appropriate safety precautions before beginning installation. Consider your surroundings and wear PPE if required. Our doors are heavy and need a minimum of 2 people to install. For this installation you will require an SDS drill and a spirit level. We recommend that you consider Latham's corresponding fixing kit, as it includes a matching drill bit and custom fixings for this installation. Whilst unpacking your door, locate the metal frame caps in a white bag tied to the side of the frame. Open your door by pushing the push bar. Place a length of polystyrene or softwood under the hinge side of the door and press down on the threshold with your foot. Lift the door off its hinges to separate the door and the frame. Position the frame in the opening. If our stock door size isn't perfectly suited to your opening, infill panels are available to bridge the gap. See our how-to video on infill panels or visit our website. Check that the frame is sitting plumb horizontally using a spirit level across the threshold. Use fitting shims to lift up either side of the frame if necessary. Then check that the frame is still plumb vertically. Place a spirit level on the face of the hinge side of the frame. Drill into the brickwork using the 3 fixing holes as guides. Then insert the 3 fixings into each of the holes and tighten loosely, just until they start to bite. Ensure you use the fitting shims provided to prevent the fixings from distorting the frame. Recheck that the frame is still plumb vertically on the hinge side and fully tighten the fixings. Place the door back on its hinges. Close it gently and check that the gap around the door is equal. The door should close without needing to be forced. Reopen the door and turn your attention to the frame on the latching side. If the door can close easily, you can drill and fix this side into place. If the door can't close easily, the frame will need adjusting using the fitting shims provided, checking again with a spirit level. It may be that the chute bolts need adjusting, which can be made longer or shorter by screwing and unscrewing them. For CE compliancy, you must test that the door opens and closes without unnecessary force. This must also be repeated monthly as per the O&M manual. Our security trim kit is recommended with all security installations to protect the fixings from attack, but also as a quick and easy way to finish your door. For further instruction on installing security trim, please see our separate installation video. Finally, insert the metal dog bolt caps into the appropriate fixing holes. Fill the remaining holes with the rubber grommets and affix all door signage. If you also wish to use your Latham's fire exit door as an entrance, you will need to install a compatible Exodor outside access device. For more information, please see our separate installation video. Check out the full range of our doors, locks and accessories on our website.